We are in Workstation now. Let's select Override Group menu. Here we see the combination summary and control icons. This one represents that all the locks are in the secure mode. In this group, it displays that one or more locks are open. This one represents that all these doors are normal. When we select one that has outputs in it, the toolbar shows control tools for outputs. When we select an input override group, input control tools appear. The same applies to the pop-up menus. Commands from this menu will apply to all the points within the group. Let's expand the group to see what inputs are in it. We see there are 3 inputs. One of the best ways to visualize their potential is through the use of a map. We'll select this map. We see 3 override groups and the inputs and outputs they control. The inputs and outputs do not need to be on the map, but they'll help in this demonstration. First, we see the locks. All the locks in this group are open. The override group displays open. When the mouse is moved over an icon, the name appears in the window title. In the next group, it displays that one or more doors in this group are abnormal. Here's the abnormal door. I'll close it. The override group now displays all normal. Let's look at the interior door group. I'll open this door, and the override group shows abnormal. I'll open another door. Now I'll go back and close the first door. The override icon remains abnormal. I'll reclose the open door. Now all show normal. Next, I'll use the pop-up control menu. I'll arm all the inputs of the perimeter door override group. All of the inputs from this group are now armed. They display the red square with the dot in the center. Notice that the other inputs did not arm. Only those within the perimeter group did. I'll go to the perimeter locks and secure them. They are all now secure. I'll bypass all the internal doors. We see the green square with the dot in the center. Let's look at another example. Here, a map represents an elevator system. It has one override group per elevator cab. We see that each override group shows that all floors are secure for each cab, except in the northwest elevator. The override group displays that one or more floors are open. Now, we will allow access from this cab to each floor without a card. Select All Open. All floors are now manually open. The last example is with override groups placed on a campus map. On this map, override groups are placed on different buildings to display the status of doors in each building and gives the ability to control different groups of door locks in each building.